Hello, my name is Hyemi, and today we'll be going over YLOC second grade worksheet lesson number 21. Okay, so today's lesson we are going to be solving story problems. So they are going to give us a question and we just have to solve. So example, there are 27, let's get our highlighter, 27 children playing kickball on the playground. Then 13 children joined the game. How many children in all are playing kickball? Our keyword here is in all. When they say in all, it means they want us to add and find the total sum. So here, just like how they did over here, we would just place 27 and 13. It's going to be a plus sign, right? Because we're adding. 7 plus 3 is 10. You bring the 10 here. 2 plus 1 is 3, and the plus of 10 will be 40. And if you want to check, you know that 27 is close to 30, and 13 is close to 10. 30 plus 10 is 40. So we know our answer makes sense. Or you can subtract 40 minus either 13 or 27, and you should get the leftover number. So let's try it out. We're adding here. At 12 o'clock in the lunchroom, there are 39 girls and 34 boys. How many children are eating lunch? Okay, so how many children are eating lunch at 12? They are asking us to add again, right? So 39 plus 34, right? These two. We will add 9 plus 4 is 13. Put the 10 over here. 3 plus 3 is going to be 6. 6 plus 1, it will be 7. So your final answer would be 73 children. Continuing on, in Mrs. Dodge's class, 7 boys and 15 girls bring their lunch to school. How many children bring their lunch? Okay, how many children? They are asking us to add again. These whole problems are adding, so if you didn't know. So again, we will bring out 7 plus 15. 7 plus 5 is 12, so you put 2 and then 1, which is going to be 1 plus 1 is 2. So how many children bring their lunch? It would be 22 children. There are 10 boys and 12 girls playing soccer on the field. How many children are playing soccer? Same thing over here. We would do 10 plus 12 right here. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Same thing, 22 children. And if you ever want to double check, you can get the sum, your answer, and a minus one number from here, either this one or this one. Let's do number 10. 22 minus 10. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And this answer should be the same to the other choice. The red team scores 13 goals on Monday and 8 on Tuesday. How many goals does this team score in all? So in all, that is our key term. We know we have to add, right? So we would add 13 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. So 21 goals. Just like that. Okay, we are going to move on to estimating time, which is a review. So we just have to estimate and circle the activity that can be done during the given time. So which one would be more reasonable? Example, 1 minute, eat 3 grapes, or drive from New York to California. Under 1 minute, I don't think you can drive from all the way to New York to California. Eating 3 grapes would be much more reasonable, right? So let's try this. 2 hours, you can sleep or hang out with a friend. Okay, so there's a difference between sleep and nap, right? Nap is like for a short amount of period, but the sleep is when you sleep for more than a couple of hours, right? And 2 is only 2 hours. It's very few hours, right? And they write sleep here, not nap. And you can hang out with a friend. Hang out with a friend would be more reasonable because under 2 hours, sleeping for only 2 hours is not healthy for you. 14 hours, watch a movie or travel to another country. Okay, so we compare these two, watching a movie and traveling to another country. Under 14 hours, you can watch not a movie, but you can watch many movies, right? But they only use a movie. And movies are only 1 to 2 hours, right? But then traveling to another country may take quite a bit of time. So I would say this is more reasonable. 20 minutes, play a soccer game or watch a TV show. Okay, TV shows, their episodes run kind of short, right? But then playing a soccer game would take quite a bit of time, right? So we would say watch a TV show. 2 minutes, go to a party or wash your hand. Okay, so go to a party or wash your hand. Going to a party takes way more than 2 minutes. Washing your hand should take around a minute or even 2, so that would be more reasonable. Moving on to word problems. At the soccer party, there were 29 blue balloons and 37 red balloons. How many balloons were there in all? Okay, that keyword gives it away, so we know what to do. We know how to add, right? So 29 plus 37. 9 plus 7 is 16. And 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So how many balloons were there in all? It would be 66 balloons. James needs to go to the gym. He wants to estimate how long it will take him to get there. How long it will take him to get to the gym? Okay, would it take around 15 minutes or 8 hours? Okay, so he wants to get to the gym, right, James? Would it take around 15 minutes or 8 hours? When we compare these, 15 minutes and 8 hours, which one is more reasonable? Going to the gym should not take you 8 hours because then coming back would already be 16 hours. So this would be more likely more reasonable. Last question. There are 18 monkeys in the zoo. There are 50 snakes in the zoo as well. How many monkeys and snakes are at the zoo? How many monkeys and snakes? So again, they want us to add, so we would add the 18 monkeys plus the 15 snakes. 8 plus 5 would be 13. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So there are 33 monkeys, shortened, and snakes in total.